welcome to Carreg's demonstration of how to transfer a registration onto a vehicle using the usual motoring documents V5C and retention document V778. Here we'll show you how to transfer using dvla.gov website. About 4 simple steps. We'll have the number transferred from the certificate onto the vehicle in about 2 minutes, if that. So first of all, we enter the registration number in the box and then select whether you're the grantee or purchaser of the registration. Here we're acting on behalf of a client, so we select that we're a business and acting on behalf of the purchaser. Next we enter the vehicle details, followed by the V5C registration certificate document reference number, which is found on the logbook on the right hand corner. And finally we'll enter the keeper's postcode, again found on the V5C. After that, confirm the details, and then we enter in the details found in the centre of the certificate, just underneath the address. The first box, it's just 1 digit, followed by 5 or 6 digits in box 2, 6 digits in box 3, and the final box 4 is just the registration number. And then the postcode also that's found on the retention document. Upon confirming the details, you consent to have the registration go onto the vehicle. You can enter some email options so you get confirmation of the transaction. There's nothing to pay at this point because the transfer fee has already been paid with the retention or the certificate of entitlement that you're using. Once we click confirm, the application is successful and you're now legal to fit your number plates. You also get a form, an EV948, which you can print off and get the number plates made if you haven't done so already. And that's pretty much how you do it.